Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about few questions and answers of Google Cloud's identity, Google Kubernetes, virtual private cloud, load balancing, Google Cloud PubSub, OAuth 2.0, Google Cloud's networking, Docker containers, Google Cloud data flow, VPN, Armor security policies, Google Cloud Spanner, Google Cloud Function, storage transfer service, infrastructure as code, primitive roles, BigQuery, data prep, Google Cloud Router, and Google Cloud Firestore. So let's get started. What is the primary purpose of Google Cloud's cloud identity and access management? So it is related to identity and access. So data storage not relevant. This is talking about access. These two, it has nothing to do with configuration or cloud billing. So B is the answer. Which Google Cloud service is used for deploying containerized application and managing Kubernetes cluster? So clearly it is telling Kubernetes A is the answer. What is the purpose of a Google Cloud VPC? So here we are talking about Google Cloud VPC, virtual private cloud, billing, virtual machine, isolated and control network traffic, and store data. Um, Here you see virtual private cloud. Okay. So why I will go for private? Of course, I want to isolate, right? So this is the key. I want to isolate and have a control on the network traffic. This is the answer. Which Google Cloud service allows you to store, retrieve, and manage data in highly scalable and durable manner. This is compute, so nothing to store. This is also a compute device. So between these two, cloud storage is the answer. What is the primary use case for Google Cloud load balancing? So we are talking about load balancing. This is virtual machine storing, analyzing log data. So nowhere relevant. Here it is talking about distributing traffic to multiple backend instances. So distributing traffic, which is actually load balancing. So A is the answer. Next is which Google Cloud service can be used for real-time data analytics and processing. This thing we should know. We should know the answers, and the answer is Google Cloud PubSub. Which authentication method should you use when accessing Google Cloud resources from on-premise data center securely? So it is talking about authentication. Okay, so of course it is a hint for OAuth 2.0. What is the primary benefit of using Google Cloud Deployment Manager? Managing DNS record, creating and managing Google Cloud resources using template. B is the answer because you see managing, here it is monitoring, analyzing. This is also talking about managing, but what we are talking about is it is talking about DNS records. So this thing is not the answer. In the context of Google Cloud's networking, what does term firewall rules refer to? So it should be definitely some rule. So all four are talking about rule that defines access control policies for virtual machines. Okay, and rule for billing. It has nothing to do with billing invoicing. Rule that specifies DNS configuration. No. Load balancing, of course not. See, the firewall rule will be something related to access, right? Okay, so it is A. Which Google Cloud service can be used for running and managing Docker container? Which Google Cloud service can be used for running and managing Docker container in a serverless? Okay, yeah. One thing we have to see here, we are talking about serverless environment. So this is the key for Cloud Run. Mm, Here we have a trap. So uh, we have to be aware of that because it is talking about Docker, and the moment we see Docker, we have a tendency to come to this answer. But we have to stress on this particular phrase. Okay. Next is which Google Cloud service is suitable for running batch processing workloads and data analysis jobs. Batch processing workloads and data analytics job. Google Cloud Computing Engine, Google Cloud Storage, Cloud Data Prep, and cloud data flow. Cloud data flow is the answer because it is talking about batch processing workload and data analysis. This information we should know. Based on that only we can answer. What is the purpose of Google Cloud Resource Manager? To manage cloud billing and payment. What is the purpose of Google Cloud Resource Manager? So it is talking about resource, right? Mm, so billing, virtual machine. Here we are talking about resource. So direct answer. Which Google Cloud products can be used to host web application and APIs with serverless scalability? Which Google Cloud product can be used to host web application and APIs with serverless scalability? So the moment this serverless thing comes, so it will be a cloud run. In the context of Google Cloud networking, what is Google Cloud VPN? Virtual private network connection between on-premises data centers and Google Cloud. So be the answer. Which Google Cloud services allow you to manage and control access to Google Cloud resources through web-based interface? This is Google Cloud Console. Because control access to Google Cloud resources through web-based interface. This is the only web-based interface through which we can control. It's a it's something whenever we use Google Cloud, we can get to know. What is the primary purpose of Google Cloud Interconnect? To establish direct high bandwidth connection to Google Cloud. That is something we should know because see, it is interconnect and it is containerized application, virtual private network. So it has something. It will be something related to connect. So of course, this will be the answer. Which Google Cloud service can be used for real-time log management, monitoring, and analysis? Okay, so direct log. In Google Cloud's IAM, what is a custom role? A role that is created by user with specific permission, automatically limited with custom things. You will be role created by user, right? So that's why. What is the primary function of Google Cloud's deployment manager? To create and manage Google Cloud resources. What is Google Cloud Storage Nearline? Nearline is what? A cloud storage option with a retrieval time measured in minutes. A Google Cloud option with a retrieval time measured in minutes. What is the primary purpose of Google Cloud AMA security policies? So this is talking about security. So of course this will be the answer. Defining security rules and protecting for HTTPS load balancers. Which Google Cloud service can be used to create and manage virtual private clouds? So directly it is talking about VPC. So direct answer. Which Google Cloud service provides a globally distributed database for mission critical application? Google Cloud Spanner. This we have to know. What is Google Cloud Function? A serverless compute service that allows to run code in response to events. That is the answer. Which Google Cloud networking product allows you to establish private connection to Google Cloud services from your on-premises network? Google Cloud Interconnect is the answer. This is actually the purpose of interconnect. What does Google Cloud Storage Transfer Service facilitate? Transferring data. This is the use of Google Cloud Storage Transfer Service, transferring data between Google Cloud and on-premises storage. Which Google Cloud service can be used to manage and automate the deployment of infrastructure as code? Google Cloud Deployment Manager. In Google Cloud's IAM, what is the difference between primitive role and predefined role? They are synonyms. Yeah, that we have to know. What does the term Google Cloud's BigQuery refers to? A fully managed serverless and highly scalable data warehouse. In Google Cloud, what is the purpose of a service account? To provide an identity for the virtual machine. Which Google Cloud product can be used to create, deploy, manage machine learning models? So the name itself tells Google Cloud Auto ML. Auto ML, ML means machine learning. What does Google Cloud Spanner offer in terms of database capabilities? A managed relational database with strong consistency and horizontal scalability. What is Google Cloud Data Prep? A fully managed data preparation and transformation service. It's talking data prep, right? So a fully managed data preparation and transformation service. The name itself tells. Which Google Cloud networking product is used to balance traffic among multiple instances of application deployed in multiple region. So it is talking about balanced traffic among multiple instances. So load balance, it is balancing the load. Traffic means the load. What is the purpose of Google Cloud Router? To dynamically exchange routes between your on-premises network and Google Cloud. This keyword is there, right? In Google Clouds IAM, what is a member? A member is defined like external identity or group that can have accesses to resources. Okay, next, what does Google Cloud Armor provide? So again, we are coming to this armor. What does Google Cloud Armor provide? Security and protection against distributed denial of service attacks. Which Google Cloud service offers a managed NoSQL document database for building web, mobile, and server application? Google Cloud Firestore. It's a NoSQL document database, right? So Cloud Firestore is a NoSQL document database. Okay, so we have discussed few questions here. Hope you liked it. Stay tuned to my channel for further set of questions. Till then, goodbye.